You ready?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. Natto with by request from Rachel. What did you want?
Black licorice.
Licorice, not just licorice, black stanky ass.
Strong licorice.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna put the mustard pack in. Got a hit of it. Oh, with the licorice that I already have in my mouth, it tastes really bad. There's the onions. Oh, God, a little bit of soy sauce. This is gonna suck. Let me mix this up first, okay?
I told him I should have picked up some Pepto with the licorice.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the soy sauce made it. Oh, jeez. Black licorice.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can move the camera around if you want to.
With the special.
You have to build D2, yeah. Quentin Tarantino there.
And with the special touch of onions, I think that's even going to be worse.
Onions and black licorice. Let's see what happens if you want to get that way in there. Whoops, I dropped the bean on the... That can have by itself. Oh, jeez, you ready?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Look at down. God, this is too soft.
I think you need more licorice in that.
You think I need more? Yeah.
That's got to be a gross combination.
It first tasted like pizza. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is bad. Go into the refrigerator, Barb, and go get me some water, please. A bottle of water.
Okay.
I'm just going to eat this so quick.
I can't even imagine.
Oh.
You okay?
Can you open it for me, please?
Yeah.
Okay, so is this worse than the PB&J?
Oh, this is freaking gross.
Whoa, it's lopsided. Watch out, the bottle of water is going to fall over.
Oh, wow, I can smell it. Oh, that is terrible.
This is poor freaking... Oh, this is heinous.
I told you it was going to be bad.
It's because that licorice is very strong.
Oh, I can't even stand close to you.
I was eating some too, so you can smell my breath.
I'm going to pick this up later, I know I am.
Is that bad?
Well, it's too, the licorice
Oh,
is
God.
too strong.
It's got a funky...
Well, that's why I thought between the two distinctive flavors, what kind of mess.
Oh, God. Where's the muscle?
Are you sweating?
See?
He's glistening.
I should ram it down.
And I hear some foot stomping going on, which means it must be pretty bad.
The licorice is sticking. Oh, God. I don't know if I can finish this, but... And the funk of the licorice stays in this stuff.
Well, like I said, from where I'm standing, I can actually smell it.
It's the strongest licorice I've ever tasted.
I just want to put all in my mouth.
You held it down.
Hey, Barbara, give me a pepper towel, please. I'm getting dizzy. Oh. We're almost pretty much. Oh, and I got liquor stuck on my finger.
I don't know, I almost feel guilty for doing that.
No, I'm sure this is the fucking worst. God, I'm sweating.
Well, yeah, let's get a close-up of the face there, because you can see the pain in your eye. Oh.
No hurling.
Oh.
I'm putting it down. I almost threw up on my mouth. The licorice won't.
Not even a stomach ache.
I have one. I feel sick.
That's it. You better cut the video off because I think I'm going to hurl.
Okay. Black licorice and natto. Don't try this at home.
Don't try it. God, I'm sweating.